Good morning, students. We complete the chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. Chapter number 1 is real numbers and chapter number 2 is polynomials. We complete and we start the chapter number 3 today, linear equations in two variable. ठीक है, today we start the chapter linear equation in two variable. Firstly, we introduce the chapter that is the equation. Equation in algebraic expression, the combined form of the variable in constant is called equation. अगर वेरिएबल और कांस्टेंट का अगर कोई भी कंबाइन फॉर्म अगर आप देखते हैं तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? कांस्टेंट इक्वेशन. ठीक है. इन जनरल वे इक्वेशन आर टू पार्ट्स, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड. मतलब ऐसा एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस इसमें कांस्टेंट भी होता हो और वेरिएबल भी होता हो. ठीक है. तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? इक्वेशन. दैट इज x, y, z, that is variable, and a, b, c is called constant. For example, the general form of the equation is ax plus b is equal to c. Here x, a is the, यहाँ पर x is the variable and a is the coefficient of x and b is equal to constant and c is equal to constant. This is the general form of the equations. There are the two parts. This is called left hand side and this is called right hand side. Now, linear equation in one variable, that is the general form of linear equation in one variable is equal to is also ax plus b is equal to c. And today we discuss about the linear equation in two variable. In the general form of a linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here two variable is x and y. Here two variable is x and y. Now a is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y and c is the constant. Now linear equation, in a basic definition of the linear equation, the maximum power of a variable is 1 is called linear equation. Right? In case the maximum power of a variable is 1 is called linear equation, and in this case x raised to the power 1 and y raised to the power 1, the maximum power of the variable is 1 is called linear equation in two variable. In this equation there are the two variables is called in linear equation two variable, and in this case only one variable x is the one variable is called linear equation in one variable. Now next type of a equation is quadratic equation. In next chapter we discuss about the quadratic chapter. So we introduce the quadratic equation. The maximum power of the variable is 2 is called quadratic equation. For example, in the general form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. But maximum power of the, that is the power 2, maximum power of is the variable is 2. Now ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to coefficient of x square, b is equal to coefficient of x and c is equal to constant. All those value equal to 0 is called quadratic equation. And a quadratic equation, there are the two roots of a quadratic equation. And similarly we find the cubic equation. The maximum power of a variable is 3 is called cubic equation. ठीक है. Maximum power of a 4 is called biquadratic equation. ठीक है.